Resource and category setup in Dynamics 365 Field Service. In Field Service, resources are treated as employees. Basically, users are created as resources in Field Service. Resources are something that needs to be scheduled. This can be users, crews, service centers, company assets like equipments, accounts or contacts. Now let's see how to set up a resource. For this, navigate to Field Service, Change Area, Resources. You can find couple of resources already existing under Active Bookable Resources. For now, I will create a new resource. Under General tab, provide the details like resource type. Here I am choosing a user as a resource. Now select the user from the lookup. You can observe that the display name is automatically popped up, and also define the time zone that the user works in. Now under Field Service tab, provide the details like hourly rate. This is the hourly pay that the resource should be paid by the company, and save. And now under Work Hours tab, provide the data like add work hours. Once the resource is created, set up the work hours of a resource. Click on the New button in the calendar pane. You can observe a drop down of 3 options: working hours, non-working hours, time off. Working hours. Choose the beginning and end time of working hours. Along with the repeated option such as every day, every week or never. And save the changes. Doing this will update the working hours calendar. You can always make changes like edit or delete the working hours by doing double click on the time slot on calendar. Non-working hours. Set the non-working hours for a resource that can't be scheduled for that particular resource on a day. That is, this particular resource can't be used for that particular time. Time off. Set the dates and time the resources can't work. You can observe time off is updated in this color in the calendar pane. You can set up holidays for all resources through Work Hours template. Under the resource list, select the resource for which Work Hour template needs to be defined. And then select Save Calendar As button on the top, where it will redirect to the Work Hours templates entity page. All the dates mentioned in the time off would be as holidays in the Work Hour template. Once the template is created or choose an existing one, it should be applied to your resource. Set Work Hours template by navigating back to Resources and select the particular resource. Click on Set Calendar button, upon which it will prompt for a selection of Work Hour template to that particular resource. Now we will see how to set up resource categories. Bookable resource categories let you group your bookable resources by type. For example, you can create categories like technician, supervisor, subcontractor, or equipment. Each resource can be assigned to multiple categories. So for this, navigate to Field Service, change area, and select categories. You can find a couple of categories already existing under active bookable categories. To create a new one, click on New button, where a new bookable resource category page opens. Under General tab, provide the details like name, if any description, billing type. These are the different billing types: chargeable, non-chargeable, complimentary, not available. Chargeable. It is something that it will be included in the billing when it is selected as chargeable. Non-chargeable. When this is selected, it will not be included in the invoice. Complimentary. This is also included in the billing, and for example, complimentary is used when we spend time on learning some new technologies for a particular task, like giving some shadowing on any topics to their colleagues. Under the Skills tab, you can associate the appropriate skills that this resource possesses. Click on New Role Competency Requirement button. Provide the name, and in Skill field, choose the appropriate value from the lookup. And now under Resource Category Association, click on New Bookable Resource Category Association button. Here, provide the name and resource from the lookup, and click on Save and Close. So, we'll assign a resource to a work order. The category associated with the resource will be automatically applied to that particular resource. Thanks for watching this video.